So welcome back, Watch Addicts. It's that time again. It's the WGA Better Than Watch Gang Black Tier July 2024 watch. So wristwatch check, see what I'm wearing. All you watch lovers, and for all you Seiko lovers, I'm wearing my Seiko 62 mass. Beautiful watch. Yes, they are quite expensive, but it had to be done. Absolutely love this watch. So anyway, let's get down to biz. So we've got the new watch, the new knife. There's the Browning, beautiful knife, and we've got the new mouse mat. And you're thinking, now where have I seen that before? Well, you've seen it on that. Yes, Fallout 4. Unbelievable game. I have absolutely hammered this game. I'm 20 days in and I'm probably on levels way above people who've been playing it for years. Because I mean, not just hammered it, I mean I'm going to bed at like 1 o'clock in the morning. Hammered it. But yeah, this is the special edition one. This is the metal box one. I have got the Game of the Year edition, but this is the season pass, the vault guide. You get the postcard and you get your Vault-Tec map. So, but anyway, it's not about that. I'm going to do a video on this because I've done something in it and it's ridiculous. But anyway, and by the way, it's on Xbox, so there's no cheating, no hacks or anything like that. So anyway, let's get down to business. We want to see what this is, so let's get the camera down and get down to business. So let's get this unboxed. Yes, it is all still sealed, as you can see. Yes, I put these over just to stop you seeing the address. Not that I'm bothered because it gets delivered to my work's address anyway, so that's fine. But anyway, let's get down to the unboxing. Yes, it is a big knife, that actually. I'll do some damage. Oh. And that, is that it? Hold on, no, I'm not the wrong way. Right, no, we're here. Ah, so look what we've got. We have got another Marlin, and yes, this was in budget. I actually got this on bidding. I felt like I stole it because I got it that cheap, and these are about 300 quid. Yeah, to buy. Let's open. Very well, I'll say I'm very pleased with it when I see it. But absolutely loved the picture of the watch. So let's get down and see what we've got. You ready? 1, 2, oh, not 3. Well, it is a limited edition as well. This is number 7. I think they only do like either 100 or 200 of them. But here we go, guys. How nice is that? Absolutely stunning. Right, let's get this get the stuff off it Come on, hold on. What's going on here? Which one's it in? That one, that one. Oh, I'll leave the ones on these for now. Oh, look at that. Wow. And yes, it is beautiful, sapphire crystal. Screw down, yes it is a screw down. It is a quartz, but I really do like this watch, and this is the reason why I bought it. Absolutely gorgeous watch. It does line up. These are actually handmade, well, put together by hand. Beautiful. If you like this watch, guys, pop over to Marlin Watches. They are beautiful, and it has got a Swiss Ronda 715 movement in it, so it's not a shitty movement. But it is absolutely gorgeous. So, but anyway, this is going to be my last one in this series, because it is the 12 months are up now, and what I'm going to be doing is a review on all the watches. Let's just click that back together. I'm going to do a review on all the watches that I've got. Ooh. So these are the watches you could have bought with the money what you spent on Watch Gang watches. And yes, it is all legit, and yes, it is actually under the budget, because that one was 127 I got that for. Well, sorry, 127.95 including the postage. So that puts me under the £1,704. So I'm absolutely thrilled with what I've got for the money, you know, compared to what I was getting. So I will go through, like I say, I will go through them all, show you the watches again properly, and then I'll compare them to the month by month of what I got from WG. So I'm really pleased with that watch, actually. It is a 45mm watch. I'll tell you what, let's get it on the wrist, see what it's like on the wrist. I was going to do a dark shot, you know, show you the loom, but it's still light out. So you can hear that beeping in the background, that's my washing machine. So that's what it looks like on the wrist. So that's my 7 1/4 wrist, and that's a 45mm case. So it is rather large compared to something like that one, which does look quite big in comparison, really. But stunning watches. Very pleased with my set. I was going to put my Amiga on today, but I remembered it's in the safe, so I can't. Never mind. But oh, do you know it? Look at it. Let's get this light into. Look at that. Stunning that. Wow. Very pleased. Nice strap on it as well. You know me, I'll be probably changing the straps out. I don't think I got any spare straps or anything with it, did I? Anything with it? Don't think so. Anything? No. Just a link tool to take the links out, but that's okay because I've got proper ones there. I was very happy. Anyway guys, I hope you've liked the series. Hope you've liked the watches and what you can get for your money. But, you know, I'm very happy with what I've got. Every single one of them. There isn't a watch there that I don't like. Only because I bought them myself instead of having somebody else buy for me and buy me some crap. But anyway, hope you like the series. What I'm going to be doing is when I get a new watch, because you know some of these watches I had for like 4, 5, 6 months before I'd unveiled them, and it was a long wait. And the thing is, if it wasn't working or something like that, I wouldn't have been able to send it back, and it would have spoiled the video as well. So what I'm going to do from now on is when I get a new watch, I'm just going to unveil it, because I don't like waiting, and I know that you lot don't like waiting. So keep watching guys, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I know I wanted to get out on the bike at the weekend because I was off on Sunday, but it was lousy weather again, and last Friday it was like raining non-stop and what have you. So, well, anyway, hopefully soon, because I've just I have put the new brakes on the bike, and I did go for a ride the other week, but I got a bit too controversial of the stuff what's been going on in this country, and I probably would have got banned off YouTube for revealing truths of what's going on. And yes, I do have a lot of high-powered friends as well. But anyway, keep watching, hit the subscribe button. I'll be out on the bike soon enough, and I'll do a comparison on these and the Watch Gang watches soon. So I'll see you all soon.